PDR, or paintless dent repair, has been around for a long time now, but only recently have the tools and technicians both evolved to a point where we can offer motorcycle tank and fender repairs. On a typical repair, we'll go in through the filler hole or another access point with a plastic coated tip, and we'll find our way to the back side of the dent, and applying pressure to the center of the dent, we'll massage it out. At some point it starts to bulge up around the dent a little bit, and we have to go in with what's called a knockdown and tap that down. That releases pressure on the dent. If you don't do that, you end up with bad PDR work, cracked paint. When searching for a tech to work on your motorcycle, make sure they have plenty of experience with MPDR, or motorcycle paintless dent repair.